Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change driving license address online UK. So, how do you exactly change your driving license here in the UK using online only? Well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, changing your address in your driving license here has or involves a number of steps. But how do you get started here? Well, you first need to start with the website. So that's going to be gov.uk. Now, in here, you want to go to the search bar and just type in the following. It's going to be change address on driving license. Now, what you're looking for is going to be the tell DVLA you've changed address. Now, from here, it will give you different options or different steps, specifically here on what you need to do, what you need to update, and what forms you need to fill up. Now, the thing with this one is, again, like what I said, it involves a lot of forms and involves a lot of steps. So the first step you need to do is you want to go and update your driver's license, and you also need to update your vehicle's logbook, update your direct debit here, which again you need to phone DVLA here to tell them that you've moved. Now, in this case, there's no purely online thing that you could do here. You need to call them as well, so that's that's included in their process. And also, you need to update your personalized registration documents, and also you need to update your trailer registration certificates, which in this case, again, you need to fill out some forms. Like for example, you want to go and just start with updating your driver's license here, just to give you some idea. So in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, look for change address on your vehicle logbook, and you want to go and just answer a few things. So in here, you want to go and just choose change the address on your driving license here. Let's go ahead and click on it. By the way, you can just basically go back here. Yep, let's go back. So yeah, so for this one, like we've already are in the first step here. So this is step 1. So you want to go ahead and just click on the start now here. So don't go to other sections here. So you want to go and just click on start now once you do see that. And in the following pages, you need to answer a few things. So let's go and click on continue on this device. Now from here, you want to go ahead and basically answer a few things. So but basically you want to go and just read a few things here and guarantee that you're providing the necessary details. Let's go and click on continue. Or in this case, are you renewing your bus or lorry entitlement here? So I'm going to answer no. And again, you want to go and just answer a few things. So let's go and click answer no here. Again, if you qualify certain things in here and that applies to you, you could go and answer yes. Let's go and click on no, click on continue. And from then on, they will ask you to create or sign in into your account. So you need to provide your sign-in details. So that involves you adding your email address here. So if you haven't created yours yet, you can go and just create one. So yeah, you can go and just enter your email here, and they will automatically detect if you already have an account. Now, what are the next pages or what are the next steps that you need to do here? Now, once you've actually logged in, this is what you should be seeing, or once you've created your account. You need to provide the necessary details here, so go and just provide your details. That includes your name, your gender, date of birth, and a lot more. Now, on the next page, you want to go ahead and provide your change address details, like your postcode first, and as well as your address. You could also add some supplementary information if you can, and basically you want to go and just search for your address in here. Now let's go. You can go and just click on next once you've done that. On the next page, you want to go and just provide your driver number here. And by the way, they might require you to enter your previous addresses as well and postcode for that as well. So make sure to provide those details. And the next page is they will ask you additional, again, like what I said, they will ask you additional details, like for example, if you want to donate your organs or something like that. So go and fill it up. You also have like security details here, like your telephone number, your birth surname, mother's maiden name here. So yeah. Next page, you want to go and just basically answer your UK passport number. So you can go and enter that in here and confirm that. Click on next. And from then on, you want to go and just, again, fill out the necessary details, like your license details here, your photo card driving license issue number, and your photo card number. Now, there are instructions here where you can actually find them. And also, if your license has been lost, stolen, defaced, or destroyed, you can go and check that out as well. And next page, you want to go and just enter your email address and confirmation of that email address. Just for confirmation here. and that's where they will be sending your confirmation for this transaction. And from then on, just confirm a few things, like confirm if this declaration is if you that you are basically returning your old driver's license here, and all the information that you're providing here are actually accurate. And just review a few things here, like for example your name, your mother's maiden name, license details, passport details. Confirm everything that you're seeing in here, and once you've done that and you're sure, click on submit now. Again, it's necessary that you review the details and make sure everything is correct. Now, on the next page, they will just send you a confirmation email on the email that you provided before, and basically that's where you'll be able to like confirm a few things. Now, obviously, this is just the first step that you need to do. There are other things that you need to do here, like filling up other steps or filling out other forms. You need to also like call the DVA in order for you to basically update your address here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.